I remember a while back you made that angry video about if you're going to show gaming. You remember you were,
Oh yeah, dude.
you were targeting YouTubers who were very upset.
Oh my God.
You remember that?
I do remember.
Yeah, that was great. That was like Angry Dave for one day. And then back to Calm Dave afterwards.
I don't know if I was angry.
Well, as angry as you're going to be on your channel. I don't mean it in a...
No, I know.
I'm saying it as like a funny character.
I know.
Because, I mean, that's really what it is, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, so he in this video, for those that haven't seen it, he was talking about how tech YouTubers would load a game because you're supposed to load a game in a video, and they play like the tutorial or whatever. Yeah. Or like just against bots because it's quicker to set it up and because they're not actually gamers.
Sure.
And it's true.
I gotta say, there's nothing wrong with that though, right? I think the thing, maybe I didn't realize it at the time, because in my brain, I'm like, if you're a tech reviewer and you're gonna be reviewing tech on games, like mice, keyboards, gaming peripherals, monitors, you gotta be a good gamer, is what I used to think, right? Mm-hmm. And the mindset is like, if you're not good at it, how would you really know if a mouse or a keyboard or a screen is good at what it's meant to do? But the truth is, most tech YouTubers don't play games. But then I came to terms with the realization that the truth is you don't need to be good, because you can compare it in a more technical manner instead of like an experienced manner. So that was where that video stemmed from. Yeah, and well, in my case, oftentimes the thing that you would be look, there's
that's a good example. Like the thing I'm showing off there, to me,
I love you,
is not really the gameplay, but more the capability of the hardware.
Absolutely.
Like, can the hardware run it, and what's happening? Like, what's the frame rate? Or
sure,
it could. I mean, it's like a slightly more entertaining benchmark.
But the thing is, frame rates dip so hard when there's people on your screen, right? Like if you're running around on an empty field.
Well, actually, this video coincided with the Battle Royale format.
Yeah.
And it was so annoying because it was the only thing you could play because it was the only thing people were watching or cared to see you play.
Yes.
But like recently, for example, we would go install COD, for example, on some gaming laptop.
Sure.
And the easier thing to do would be to play Warzone.
Right.
But it's terrible. You're running around forever, as you mentioned.
Right.
So then we're like, all right, let's just put Cold War. And then I was all of a sudden having more fun because I'm getting to shoot more and actually like learning the game faster.
Sure.
You learn the game slowly if you're playing Battle Royale.
Yeah.
And you don't game very much.
Right.
Because you're just not engaging often enough.
Yeah.
And chances are a lot of the other players in the space are doing some combination of playing Warzone and Cold War and whatever the hell else it is. So, but then I was having an opportunity where they'd be like, sit down, we want to record some gameplay. And instead of recording like the first 2 seconds of it, they let me play for a little bit.
It's better.
And I was like, oh man, this is kind of fun right now.
Yeah. It takes more time though, right? It's more like quote unquote production time, but you get to experience it in a way that's more realistic of what users would if potentially got that stuff.